Hey everyone, Justin Benz out here in Lakewood Ranch. I'm at Webb Catalina. Again, I'm showing the Cascadia Villa model here. This one, as shown, is $465,000, $380K base price, $20K in structural options, and $65K in design options. So well-appointed villa here at Webb Catalina. Let's go check it out. I'll do a walkthrough and show you a little bit about the community. We're so new here that they're just breaking ground on these. They do have some closings coming up on the inventory models, so stay tuned for things to come. If you want more details on this community, I've already posted a video on YouTube. Just click the link above. This will have all the goods and the details on this brand new 55 and over community here at Webb Catalina. Because in this video, we're going to focus on the models, and when you come to visit, there's 5 beautifully furnished single-family homes, and there's also 2 villa models you can tour. So there's anywhere from 2-bedroom, $360,000 villas here up to 5-bedroom, 4,000 square feet, $1 million homes, which is the Leighton Grande coming into your picture. Okay, folks, today we're going to tour one of the villa models here at Webb Catalina. This is going to be the Cascadia model. It's a 2 or 3 bed configuration with 2 baths, 1,600 square feet, base price under $400,000, and this one, as shown, all decked out and everything with the upgrades, is $465,000. Let me know what kind of questions you have. Please do reach out to me via text or email or call, and that way I can best assist you moving forward.